Hello, ladies, and welcome to the Beauty Shaman, where truth and beauty meet. So I've been wanting to do a product review of this line. It's called Image Skincare. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I actually did way back when I first started the channel. I did a little blurb on them. I really love this line. And the thing that's held me back was that they didn't have anything for affiliates. Okay. So now they do. So I'm very excited to bring you this particular line, and it's called Image Skincare. So it's an esthetician's line, and typically Image Skincare is only carried in brick and mortar type stores. But now, I mean, I think because of COVID, because of so many estheticians struggling, they've gone more online, and they now have more availability for drop shipping for this kind of scenario where I could talk to you about it and you could shop it and not necessarily have to go to a brick and mortar esthetician. So I'm going to talk about this product, why I like it, and specific products that I use that I want to recommend just to help you out. I think this is something really great to consider if you're looking for another skincare line. Before we get started, please visit my website at thebeautyshaman.com and use the code SB10 for 10% off everything in my store. And then also hit the subscribe button here on YouTube and the bell to be alerted every time I upload a video. Okay, let's get started. So I've been a licensed esthetician for probably 6 or 7 years. I don't work brick and mortar. I just work on, I'm a professional makeup artist, if you don't know. I work on photo shoots, on television sets. I work with a lot of public speakers, a lot of public people in my line of work. So I'm very plugged in. Okay, I'm very plugged in to skincare, to the skin, to the body, to health. Because the skin is the largest organ on your body. It is the organ on your body that needs the most nutrients and care. It's not just your face, it is your entire body. So I really research skincare lines. I don't do a ton of product reviews on my channel. I want to do more. I have this line, I have another line coming up. I'm going to do a product review. And one of the reasons is that I'm a little bit of a hard case, okay? Because I know too much, right? I'm not naive to the shenanigans of the beauty industry. I know how they take a line and, use a lot of advertising and fluff and put a lot of fluff ingredients in it. And really, it doesn't really do anything. You just as well go buy something at the local pharmacy. And that is the case. Most lines are pretty mediocre, I'll be honest with you. So I really don't want to be negative, right? I don't want to do, and I've had companies send me products and me go, I'm really sorry, I'm not going to do a review. This has happened quite a few times, actually. I try to actually now not have lines send me anything if I have any thought that it's not going to be fabulous, because I don't want to be negative. I don't want them to waste their product, right? I really want to have integrity with what I'm trying to do. Having said that, to find a line I really am passionate about, that I really think is great, that's really going to give you great positive repercussions in your skin and your health, is a little bit more of a process, right? Because I do so much research of my own research. So having said that, that's my intro for this particular skincare line, Image. I really have loved them. And if I had a brick and mortar esthetician's location, this is the brand I would carry, along with Truth Treatments, which I carry on my website. Both are phenomenal. But I would say I want to talk specifically today about the Image Skincare line. Image Skincare is in fact EWG certified. If you don't know EWG, I'll put the link down below. They basically do research on skincare lines and let you know which ones are toxic, which ones are non-toxic, what ingredients are toxic. They really go into it. They have ratings for different brands, for products, images in there, and it gets a very high rating. So as far as being a clean beauty line that is toxin free, no parabens, hold on, I've got to get my cheat sheet out. Okay, so there's no parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, artificial fragrances, or synthetic dyes. So all products are clinically tested, and they include stability evaluation, safety assessments, and potential sensitizer extensive review by a panel of independent skincare specialists. So it is very, very studied. It is very clean. It is very effective. Okay, that's why they've really stuck to using it with estheticians because of that. So I can absolutely vouch for the fact that this line is great. Okay, there's my speech. All right, so let me go through. Oh, before I go into each individual, this is the big clincher here. Is they're having a special, and this is one of the reasons I really wanted to get this out to you. From now, and the day I'm filming this is November the 3rd, through November the 10th. So this is a very small window. Where you spend $100 and you get 5 masks for free. Now, I don't know which mask that is. It didn't say in the affiliate code that I have, but you get 5 masks for free if you spend over $100. So that's a great deal. So if you were looking for a skincare brand, or maybe you're looking for a gift for someone for the holidays, it's a great time to buy some Image skincare through drop shipping. In other words, you click on the link, you go to them specifically, and they will ship it to you, which is awesome. Okay, so let's get started with the different items that I want to show you. So the Vital C line is the one I have in my hand. I have 4 products. I have the Vital C Hydrating Anti-Aging Serum. I have the Vital C Hydrating Repair Cream. I have the Hydrating Facial Cleanser in the Vital C. And I also have the Hydrating Facial Oil in the Vital C. And the other thing I use so much that I forget that that this is my favorite, because you know when you just touch it every day, is the SPF 30 Prevention Sunblock. Love, 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 love. Okay, fantastic. I love this brand. I love the Vital C. Have I said love enough? I love the Vital C because they use premium vitamin C in their products. They smell like oranges. I mean, it's just beautiful. Vitamin C is one of the most healing and collagen boosting ingredients that you can put in skincare. And the Vital C particular brand of Image is loaded with it. Now, Image has quite a few other lines, within their brand, like Ormedic. I have a bunch down here. I could probably pull them up, but I'm just going to show you the Vital C. Please go on their website and look if you feel like there's specific concerns that this particular line is not meeting. Then they have other ones, and you can look around for that. But I'm specifically going to speak to this one just because this is the one I use. This is the one I'm the most familiar with. So the Vital C, I'm going to start talking about the Vital C. Okay, so I use this. You can use it once to twice a day. It's a serum. So serums, in my opinion, are the most important thing to spend your money on. Get a great serum, because that's really going to help your skin to be nourished, hydrated. It's the vitamins and minerals that it's kind of like taking nutritional supplements for your skin. Okay, that's the impact that a serum has. And that's why I think if you're going to spend money on anything, spend money on a serum. So this one is a great serum. This one helps lock in hydration with hyaluronic acid. It has multivitamin C, hyaluronic acid, palmitoyl, can't say that word, oligopeptide. I got it. A green tea extract. It aids in minimizing fine lines and wrinkles. It provides antioxidant defense, soothes dry skin. Really phenomenal. Definitely recommend this. Okay, so I use this once a day, and then on the other time of day, I use the Vital C. So this is the Vital C Hydrating Repair Cream. By the way, this one, the serum was $72, so not super expensive. This is also $72 for the hydrating repair cream. Now, all of these are hydrating. Actually, for me, these are a little bit too hydrating. I have to kind of modulate it a little bit. I have lots, and I've got a lot of oils in my skin. But I think if you have dry skin, it's just so phenomenal. So this is a really beautiful cleanser. Oh, I meant to show you what that looked like. So it looks like this. Smells very citrusy and lovely, and it really just blends and soaks right into your skin. Just beautiful. And the Vital C, I meant to show you what that looks like. So it looks like that. Same thing. Oh, my hand's going to be so happy. All this vitamin C. All right. So the moisturizer, it's a creamy formula. Removes, no, sorry, that's the other one. Okay. So this one, the Ultra Hydrating Repair Cream, is ultra hydrating. It locks in moisture, soothes sensitivity, fights the lines of fine lines and wrinkles, has a very potent form of vitamin C. It supports skin elasticity and firmness blends, nourishes dry, depleted skin, has lots of vitamin A. So fantastic. The other thing that I use in conjunction with this is I use the facial hydrating oil. So let me just tell you about this. This is $52. So if you have very dry skin, I would say be sure to get the oil. And what I love about this oil is I like to blend it in with the moisturizer. That helps to get it even further into the skin. Now, this is formulated to get underneath the dermis layer in your skin. Most oils, okay, if you just took olive oil and put it on your skin, it feels nice initially, but it actually doesn't get beneath the dermis layer. It sits on the surface. So if you notice, if you use coconut oil or any oil on your skin, it feels really nice for maybe 30 minutes. And then your skin goes back to being dry because it cannot get beneath the dermis layer in your skin. It is ineffective. It is not made to do that. So you have to get skincare that is formulated using a compounding pharmacist, somebody who knows what the heck they're doing. They formulate it in order to have it go beneath your skin. So this does actually soak in beautifully, but I like to mix it with a little moisturizer because that even gets it deeper, because moisturizer contains all of the ingredients to get it beneath your skin as well. So it really helps with penetration. Okay, so the Vital C Hydrating Facial Oil is argan oil, sea buckhorn, and grapeseed oil. They replenish dry skin, softens fine lines. It has essential fatty acids, which your skin loves, and antioxidants. It's powerful, skin rejuvenating. Totally love it. I would put it on my hand, but then my fingers are going to be really greasy. I do love it. It's almost like, for me, I have to only use this a couple times a week because it's almost too much moisture. I wake up and I have pimples, which is incredible, right? Like crazy that I would have pimples, but it's true. Okay, so I'm going to go back now to the cleanser. So this is the cleanser I use. And this is the Vital C Hydrating Facial Cleanser. This is $32. Isn't that great? What a great price for a cleanser. So this also just smells incredible. You need very, very little of this. I tend to overuse. It's just a bad habit of mine. So really watch out. You only need about the size of a dime. That's it. Every day. It takes off makeup as well, so you don't need a makeup remover with it. You just use it to clean off your makeup or clean your face. I use it only at night. I use water in the morning. I don't actually even use a facial cleanser in the morning. I don't think your face gets dirty at night, but that's my 2 bits worth on that one. This is a creamy formula, leaves the skin feeling refreshed, removes makeup and residue. For best results, massage for 1 minute and then rinse off. So very easy. Okay, the last thing is, of course, is the sunblock. I use this every single day. I only use this on my face. The sun is not bad for you. The sun is actually very, very good for you. You need the sun. Many of us are locked inside, especially as it gets to fall and winter, and you need the vitamin D in sun. So be sure, even when it's chilly outside, that you try to get some sun on your arms, just because the vitamin D and the nutrients from the sun are super important. But on your face, it can cause our skin to age more quickly. So I do use this when I go out every day for either a walk or a run on my skin. What I love about this is that I can put it on, put makeup on top, and the makeup still looks really incredible. It's not greasy. Absolutely works. You know, this is a 30 SPF. They have lots of different SPFs, but this one in particular, I'm very, very keen on. This is $44. It has UVA, UVB protection, decreases the risk of skin cancer, absorbs surface oils, gives your skin a matte finish, which I love when it comes to putting foundation on top of it. And it protects against free radical damage. So, love, love, love. So this whole line, I do recommend it. I think the price point is great, you know, for what you're getting, as far as quality goes. So, you know, now that this has opened up to the general public, totally recommend you check out the website. Please write down below if you have any questions about the Image Skincare line. Please follow the link down below. That will get you the bonus that I told you about, which is spend $100, get 5 masks for free. You will only get that if you click on the link that I have down there, because I do have a relationship with the company. I've actually been on them for, I don't know how many years, like 3 years now, saying, hey, you know, please let me sell it or talk about it, or can you give me some links, like something. And they just were very resistant to that. They really wanted to stay with just estheticians. And I understand that, being have my own business, I get it. Like, you really want to protect the business owner. But things have opened up, so this is good news for me, good news for you. So definitely click through, have a look at it, and let me know your thoughts on this line. Again, I hope you guys are doing great. I hope this has been helpful, that you've enjoyed this, that you've got something out of it. I always like to share great things with all of you. So have a great day, and get out in the sun and be happy and sip tea, and I don't know, all the positive things in life. Have a good day.